Hi folks, welcome to Kasam Academy. I am Akil Kasam. Today we are going to discuss about building materials multiple choice question series. First question is the presence of calcium chloride in water. First option, all of the given options. Second option, accelerates hardening of cement. Third option, accelerate settling of cement. Fourth option, causes little effect on quality of concrete. From the question, we know that addition of calcium chloride accelerates the process of setting hardening. Option C is correct answer. Second question, for a structure subjected to the action of sea water, the cement used is option A, rapid hardening cement, option B, high alumina cement, C, low heat cement, D, sulfate resisting cement. Option B is right answer because high alumina cement has high resistance against any chemical action since sea water contains many types of salts among given options. High alumina cement is most suitable answer. Third question. Which of the following statements is not true in case of Portland slag cement? Option A. Better sulfate resistance. B. Slag should not be in glassy form. C. Lower heat of hydration. D. Slower early strength. From the given options, option B is not true because Portland slag cement or blast furnace slag cement has higher sulfate resistance, lower heat of hydrations and slower early strength gain than OPC is nothing but ordinary Portland cement. The slag used in the preparation of Portland slag cement is obtained by the rapid quenching, means freezes of molten blast furnace slag into a glassy state which gives it cementitious property. Fourth question. For compressive strength determination, the minimum number of cubes required in a sample are. Option B is correct because as per IS 456-2000 class 15.4 the test results of the sample shall be the average of strength of 3 specimens. The individual variation shall not be more than plus or minus 15% of the average. Fifth question. The apparatus used for determining the consistency is A. Lee-Chatler, B. Abrams cone, C. VCAT, D. Blaine. Option C is the answer because VCAT apparatus is used to determine the setting time of cement. Soundness of cement tested by Lee-Chatler's apparatus. Cubic moles and compression testing machines are used to determine the compressive strength of cement. The main constituent of cement which is responsible for initial setting of cement is A. Tricalcium silicate, B. Tricalcium aluminoferrate, C. Tricalcium aluminate, D. Dicalcium silicate. Third option is correct because tricalcium silicate gives early strength. Dicalcium silicate gives later strength or ultimate strength, less heat of hydration. Tricalcium aluminate, very high heat of hydration and initial setting time of cement. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate formed within 24 hours of addition of water, high heat of hydration in initial periods. Seventh question. Soundness of cement is tested by Lee-Chatler method, autoclave method, Blaine method, Blaine's and Lee-Chatler's method. As we discussed from the previous class, the option is A. Lee-Chatler's method is correct. Eighth question. Gypsum is added in cement to A. Increases its initial setting time, B. Decrease its initial setting time, C. Increase its compressive strength, D. Increases its bond strength. From the options, gypsum is a retarder. It decreases its initial setting time. What is meant by retarder? A retarder is an admixture that slows down the chemical process of hydration so that concrete remains plastic and workable for a long time. Gypsum is an example. Accelerators. What I mean by accelerator? Accelerating admixtures are added to concrete either to increase the rate of early strength, development or to shorten the time of setting. Example, calcium chloride. Ninth question. Increased fineness of cement. A. Affects only early development of strength. B. Affects only ultimate strength. C. Both A and B. C. D. Does not affect the strength. Option A is correct. Fineness increases the strength development in the cement principally during its first 7 days. Fineness can decrease bleeding and it can also affect workability. Fineness test indirectly measures the surface area of the particles of cement per unit mass. It increases the rate of hydration. More is the fineness of cement particles, more will be the rate of hydration. These are some factual information about fineness. 10th question. Gypsum is added in the manufacture of Portland cement in order to A. Shorten the setting time of cement. B. Lengthen the setting time of cement. C. Decrease the burning temperature. D. Decrease the grinding time. B is correct answer because gypsum is a mineral and is hydrated calcium sulfate in chemical form. Gypsum plays a very important role in controlling the rate of hardening of the cement. During the cement manufacturing process, upon the cooling of clinker, a small amount of gypsum is introduced during the final grinding process. Gypsum is added to control the setting of cement. If not added, the cement will set immediately after mixing of water, leaving no time for concrete placing. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more updates.